Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am the Proud Millennial. I've been getting so many DMs on Instagram about my florals and just my home decor. So today I kind of wanted to highlight my florals. I love getting your DMs. I love getting your messages and just getting to know you. So if you would like to get to know me, you could also follow me on Instagram. Here it is. I am obsessed with flowers, with floral arrangements. I try to go to the flower district a couple times a month. Now that I am working from home, I love to make a nice flower arrangement and enjoy it throughout the week. Whenever I get stressed, I like to look over. I just love walking into my space and seeing this floral arrangement. Before we continue, remember, subscribe, comment, like. Today we're gonna go to the flower district and buy some things. It is Christmas Eve. This is not intentionally a holiday arrangement. It's just, you know, it so happens to be Christmas Eve and I have the day off. And I'm gonna go enjoy myself at the flower district. I do have to say that I'm pretty lucky. I live about 6 minutes away from the flower district. I absolutely love driving into downtown and just looking at all these historic buildings. That gives me such city vibes. And then I get to this area right off of San Julian. This is where I like to park. It's right above Moscatel's, which is connected to the actual flower market. You step in, you do have to pay $2, and you just have access to all these awesome flowers. You look around and ask around what the prices are. You choose to your liking. I'm gonna start with all the things I got. So, the 3 basics I think you should always get: greenery, the main flower, and the filler. So for the greenery, I got this pine. Oh, it's so beautiful. Our main flower. I'm just gonna have to look up the names afterwards for you all. They're just so beautiful and they really do last a while. And sometimes they smell like jalapenos. And now I'm really excited for this one because when I saw this one, I was like, this is gonna be real expensive. Like I thought this one was gonna be real expensive. First off, I have this. So I'm gonna add this little accents, but this is probably towards the end. And these beautiful flowers. Beautiful. And lastly, I got something really big. Are you ready for this? I got all these branches. These branches have little pine cones and stuff. I go there pretty frequently and I think they were really trying to sell those branches because I was like, I'll work something out with you. And I thought he was just being nice, but I was like, maybe they're really trying to sell these. These were $8 a bunch. This greenery right here was 4. These were 5 each. $5 each, and I got 2 of them. This whole thing was $10. First, I'm making it more of a basic arrangement, a little more dramatic, something that you could probably put at a table or you could probably put at an entryway. This is gonna be the main one. Then we have 3 little ones. These 3 little jars that I bought. They're cute, little vintagey looking mason jars. And why I got the branches is because I got this big, like, clay vase from Home Goods. What you should probably do that I didn't do is get all your materials, like, right in the beginning. So let me do that. Give me 1 second. So what you will need are scissors, tape, a utility knife, and maybe some twine. Now let's really get started. And I wanted to start off with this big tall one. So I just started putting them together. I wanted something to look very organic and almost like a tree. It is a little dramatic, I'm sorry, but I love it. I'm in love with it. I'm gonna start with this one. What I like to do is I add some tape, and I actually have this green duct tape And I like to measure it out. So I rip off the duct tape, kind of just make a grid out of it. I have one of these little blades that I like to tape them down. So not all of the green shows, but I like to just score it. And this will help the flowers and the greenery just to stay in place. And this is the only one that I will tape down because all the other ones, like this has a bigger opening. These are definitely smaller, so they'll hold on pretty well. People will have different ways of doing it, but I like to start with greenery. You can do it whichever way you want. So I like to add the structure. I like to add the skeleton with the greenery. I am going to go with an asymmetric arrangement. I have this big one. I will measure it and kind of eyeball it, and then we can cut. And then just fill it. What you should do is take off the leaves that will hit the water. Kind of like this, like we know from here on down the water will hit, so I just take off all those leaves. And so I kind of wanted to droop it, do some drooping out here. As you see, there's this big shooting, and there's some droop here, and then I'm trying to fill this up a little bit. I like to take off all of the leaves just because it clouds up what we're really going for. So this is the front side, it's looking good, so we're gonna fill it. I think it's so cute. Okay, lastly, it was Christmas Eve and I wanted to put together some arrangements to drop off to some close friends, and I just used the same three: greenery, flowers, and the filler. I also fill it up with water after I make the arrangement. And here are the cute little gift arrangements that I made. Thank you all for watching. Going to the flower district is one of my favorite things to do ever. I just love going there. I hope I inspired you. I mean, for $40, I know that sounds like a steep price, but I still have some left over. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it, but I made one big arrangement, two smaller ones. I did these branch things that I hope dry well, and I used another branch somewhere else. So I really feel like it was worth the price. I hope you visit the flower district at some point and just enjoy it. I would advise things that I didn't do is like set a budget. I did set a budget, but then just so many beautiful things were there. But if you really want to be intentional about your budget, really do it, because $5 a few times goes a long way. Again, thank you for watching. I am not a flower expert, but I have had the privilege of being around an awesome florist, and I'm going to give a shout out to Brianna Cantu, who is owner of Flourished. I will link her below if you want to hit her up. She does awesome work. Again, if you like home decor, apartment living, apartment tours, interior design, just anything adulting, don't forget to subscribe, and see you very soon.